I'm Jess, chef and owner of Shiso Kitchen, and today I'm going to tell you what the heck a pincho is. Pinchos are the small tapas that are common in the Basque region, which is the famous foodie area between France and Spain. Pinchos can be any little bite, but really a common theme is that you want to pile delicious ingredients on top of crusty bread. The motto in the Basque region is mar y montaña, which basically means where the sea and the land meet. So that's the theme of the food.
You can see that we've got olive stacked on a red pepper, stacked on a slice of hard-boiled egg, stacked on the delicious Mediterranean tuna.
You can also join us for Basque Country dinner class here at Shiso Kitchen anytime.